Hello everybody, this is my 91 Toyota Land Cruiser. I've got a old man Emu lift on it, got some 35 BFGs on it, got some bumps and bruises. It is a right-hand drive. It's got the 3FE motor in it. I've got 2 light bars on it. A little guy here and a bigger one on the roof rack there. Let's take a look inside. I've done a bunch of work to this thing to get it running good. The power lock still work on it. Got the seats in the back. Picked this bad boy up for like $3 grand. It was in pretty bad shape when I got it. Take a look at the engine. Oh, 3FE motor. I got new plugs in it. Put a new rad in it. New battery. New kick-down cable. That was a mission and a half to change. What else was there? Put a new starter in it. There, all the wiring for the LED lights and the light bar and stuff. Start her up and see how she sounds. I haven't started it for a couple days here, so she might be a little bit. Oh, just get 244 on it. Still got the original flare that it came with. Pretty neat. Got a little compass up here with the altimeter. Sunroof works and everything. I had this thing mudding and I sunk it all the way up to the driver fender, so water came inside, mud and everything, but surprisingly nothing went bad on it. Got it pulled out in a couple days after that. But yeah, I mean, that's what she is. She's got an ice cool box here. Don't really use it though. Got a bunch of shit in it. Yeah, but that's her there. Take a look at